Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. The world of compact and efficient travel is evolving, and today we have something truly unique, the 2025 Wander Camper Tricycle. A blend of freedom, sustainability, and adventure hacked into a three-wheeled camper. If you love exploring the open road but prefer something lightweight and budget-friendly, this could be your dream ride. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Wander Camper Tricycle an exciting choice for modern travelers. At first glance, the Wander Camper Tricycle stands out with its futuristic yet functional design. Unlike traditional camper vans, this compact tricycle is built for single travelers or minimalist adventurers who need a comfortable mobile living space without the bulk of an RV. The body is crafted from all lightweight aluminum and reinforced composite materials, ensuring durability while keeping the weight low. This tricycle is designed to be easy to maneuver, even in narrow city streets or off-grid trails. With an aerodynamic shape, the front of the tricycle features a sleek windshield, while the sides have fold-out panels that expand into a small but cozy camping area. At the rear, you'll find a compact sleeping cabin, complete with insulated walls, ventilation, and storage compartments. Despite its small footprint, every inch is optimized for convenience. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Wander Camper Tricycle offers both electric and hybrid versions to cater to different travel needs. The electric variant is powered by high-capacity lithium-ion battery, offering a range of 150 to 200 miles per charge, ideal for urban commuters and short weekend trips. Charging is simple, thanks to its solar panel integration on the roof, allowing you to recharge on the go. For those venturing into longer road trips, the hybrid version includes a small fuel-efficient engine that extends the range to 400 miles before refueling. This makes it perfect for off-grid explorers who need extra reliability. With a top speed of 65 mph, it's not built for racing but provides a smooth and steady ride, even on highways. Stepping inside, you'll be surprised by how well the interior is designed. The Wander Camper Tricycle focuses on multi-functionality, making the most of limited space. The bed converts into a seating area during the day. A fold-out table serves as both a workspace and dining area. Built-in USB ports, LED lighting, and a small fan ensure comfort on the road. There's even a tiny kitchen station with a single-burner stove, a sink with a water tank, and a mini fridge, perfect for cooking simple meals. Storage is neatly tucked into hidden compartments, and an overhead rack can hold additional camping gear. Modern travelers demand smart features, and the Wander Camper Tricycle doesn't disappoint. A built-in GPS navigation system helps you find the best routes. A solar-powered battery system provides power for lights and small electronics. A compact heater and ventilation system ensure comfort in different weather conditions. Rear and side cameras assist in parking and maneuvering. The optional smart app lets you monitor battery levels, mileage, and security remotely. For safety, the tricycle comes with anti-lock brakes, a roll cage frame, and stability control to handle different terrains. Solo travelers who love compact and efficient living. Digital nomads looking for a mobile workspace with a minimal carbon footprint. Urban explorers who want an alternative to expensive camper vans. Eco-conscious travelers who prefer electric or hybrid vehicles. Unlike traditional RVs or vans, this is an affordable, low-maintenance option that allows more people to experience a van life without the high cost. The base electric model starts at $9,500, and while the hybrid version comes in at around $12,000, and considering the rising costs of travel vehicles, this is a budget-friendly option for adventure seekers. pre-orders have already begun, with deliveries expected by mid-2025. If you're interested, you might want to reserve one before they sell out. The 2025 Wander Camper Tricycle is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. A symbol of freedom, sustainability, and minimalist travel? Whether you're chasing sunsets on the coast or exploring hidden mountain roads, this camper tricycle makes every journey possible. Would you consider getting one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unique vehicle reviews. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.